Welcome to Tapasya YouTube channel. Okay, today our topic is baking soda. Okay, in this topic we will learn about what is baking soda, how to prepare it, what are the uses of baking soda. Okay, let's learn. Okay, baking soda, its formula NaHCO3. We can call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate, and also we can call it as sodium bicarbonate. Okay, its symbolic formula is NaHCO3. Okay, where it will use? Okay, basically, baking soda can use in the kitchen for make the food tasty, crispy, and pakoras. We can use baking soda to cook fast. To cook fast, we can use sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula already you know, that is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, what are the materials required to prepare the sodium bicarbonate? Okay, raw material, as you know earlier, okay, NaCl is the raw material to prepare baking soda. Here you are seeing NaCl is the raw material, and also we are adding water, carbon dioxide, and ammonium. Okay, a reaction takes place NaCl, water, and carbon dioxide, and ammonia, which is giving ammonium chloride, sodium bicarbonate. Chloride, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. Okay, which is gives sodium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate we are calling as baking soda. Yes, baking soda is whether it is acidic nature or basic nature. Yes, by observing universal indicator we can find which is non-corrosive basic salt. Which is non-corrosive basic salt. When baking soda, if we make it heat, when we are giving heat to the baking soda, what it is giving? Sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. What it is giving? When sodium bicarbonate is on heating, which is giving sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. Yes, what is the carbon dioxide is formed? That carbon dioxide makes the food. If you take the example of bun, yes, if it is looks like spongy. Okay, what could be the reason for that sponge? That is the reason for the sponge is carbon dioxide. Okay, this carbon dioxide is makes that bun soft and sponge. Okay, when we will get it? When sodium bicarbonate on heating, which is giving what? Sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. What are the uses? Okay, sodium bicarbonate, where we will use? Okay, basically we will use which as fire extinguisher. To fire extinguisher. Okay, what we will use? Sodium bicarbonate. And also we can use which is in ingredient of antacid. Okay, as you know earlier, someone is suffering acidity. Okay, what you will suggest to them? You are suggest to them antacid. Yes, in antacid, one of the ingredient is baking soda. And also baking soda we can use in preparation of baking powder. Yes, how baking powder is prepared? Yes, baking powder is prepared by baking soda plus tartaric acid. Okay, these two are combined, which is giving baking powder. Okay, baking powder is prepared by baking soda. Okay, these three are the uses of baking soda. Baking soda preparation and uses. Okay, how to prepare washing soda? Yes, to know the preparation of washing soda, yes, recall once earlier what we completed is preparation of baking soda. In baking soda, which is the raw material? Sodium chloride is the raw material. What you are added? Water, carbon dioxide, ammonia. What it is given? Ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Okay, which is preparation of what? Baking soda. Okay, if baking soda is heated, what it is given? Sodium carbonate is given, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this sodium carbonate is useful to prepare washing soda. Okay, why I repeated again? Okay, we want to say Na2CO3 is came from NaCl. NaCl is the raw material to prepare washing soda. Got my point, children? Okay, Na2 sodium bicarbonate on heating, which is giving Na2CO3. Okay, this Na2CO3 is anhydrous. Okay, hydrogens are absent. You can call it as anhydrous sodium carbonate. When it contains water, what we will call? Yes, the process of adding the water. Okay, that we are calling as what? Recrystallization. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives rise to washing soda. Okay, what is the sodium carbonate? That sodium carbonate reacts with 10 water molecules, which is giving Na2CO3 10H2O. Okay, this process you can call as what? Recrystallization. Yes, water molecules are combined with sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate without water, you can call it as anhydrous Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. When which reacts with water, that you can call as washing soda. That is the difference between Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. If it contains water, okay, that is washing soda. If not contain water, that is what? Anhydrous sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium carbonate on reaction of water, which is giving what? Washing soda. This process you are calling as what? Recrystallization. Now, here question arises whether it is dry or wet. Here we are seeing water molecules. It contains water molecules, whether it is dry or wet. Okay, that is the question arises. Yes, we have to give the conclusion in crystallization. Okay, although it contains water molecules, it looks like dry. Okay, but it is what? Wet. Although it is what? Wet. Now, what are the uses? Okay, washing soda we can use in glass, paper and soap industries. Next, we can use which is in cleaning agent in the domestic purpose. Next, which we can use remove of permanent hardness of the water. Okay, these are the uses of washing soda. Are the crystals of salt really dry? The crystal salts are really dry or wet? Okay, that we have to know. Okay, let us do an experiment. Here we have to take one boiling tube, one burner. In boiling tube, we have to take copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate which is blue color. In the boiling tube, I have to take copper sulfate and heat it. When we are giving heat, here some water droplets are forms. Here some water droplets are forms. When water droplets are formed, copper sulfate color is changed. Which color it has? Which is in white color. Okay, before it is in blue color. When we are giving heat, water droplets are separated from copper sulfate, which is giving what? White color. Okay, white color has been changed. Okay, earlier it is blue color. Yes, it's converted into white color. When water particles are contained, which is in blue color, water particles are absent, which is in white color. Okay, how it looks like? Which looks like as dry because of water crystallization. What is water crystallization? Fixed number of water molecules present. One formula unit of salt is called as water crystallization. Okay, due to the water crystallization, copper sulfate has blue color. Okay, water particles are absent, which is in what? White color, which looks like to dry, but it is not dry, it is in what? Wet. One formula unit of copper sulfate contains 5H2O. Okay, one more example for crystallization, that is gypsum. Okay, gypsum formula CaSO4 2H2O. Okay, calcium sulfate contains two water molecules. Okay, two water molecules indicates crystallization of water. How many crystallization of water is present in this? 2 crystallization of water. In this 10 crystallization of water. In this 5 crystallization of water. Now 2 crystallization of water contains calcium sulfate. We can call it as gypsum. Okay, gypsum is one of the example we have to say crystallization. Now when gypsum on heated 373 kelvins, which is dissociated as CaSO4 of H2O plus 1.5 H2O. Okay, this you can call it as plaster of Paris. What you can call it as? Plaster of Paris. I am writing here plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Okay, where we have to use plaster of Paris? Okay, plaster of Paris, doctors can use any fraction of the bone to set it is in its original position. Okay, they will apply plaster of Paris. And also plaster of Paris we can use in the preparation of idol of the Ganesh. And also we can use to smooth surfaces, plaster of Paris can use. Now see the formula of plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate of H2O, we can call it as hemihydrate. Okay, when gypsum is heated, which is giving plaster of Paris and of H2O. Now when you are added again water to the plaster of Paris, what it is gives again? Which gives what? Gypsum. What it is giving? Gypsum is giving return. Here one question is arises, how of water particle are sharing calcium sulfate? Okay, one formula unit of calcium sulfate is sharing half H2O, but here two formula unit of calcium sulfate is there, that is sharing one particle of water molecule. Okay, this is about crystallization. Yes, by this topic we are completed acids and bases and salts. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, if you are watching my video, if you like it, share it, subscribe. Thank you.